After receiving the goods, open the carton. Install the steering wheel and connecting butt. Disassemble the propeller motor. Disassemble the propeller motor. Install the propeller at the bottom. Keep the top and bottom alive during installation. Be patient. Front cover screw big. Install the screws between the steering wheels and the cover plate. Tighten the screws on the front with a proof cable before installation. Install save file. The turret ways are non-polar and can be connected in either direction. Connect the controller wires to the corresponding connectors. Fix the battery plug into the bevel. Install the other and tighten the screws to secure it in place. Steps match the red and black wires of Segra connected to. Set corresponding battery terminals red to red, black to black in Titan family. Insert the battery pack tightly to ensure a secure connection. Step Plus is a bold body and to see inflatable rings. Inflated D. Byron. Inflate the small part of the airbag first. Switch toilet head inflation, no slitting inflated atmosphere. Congratulations! Dubai successfully completed set installation of Bumpy Boat.